Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you use Microsoft services, so stop it and use Zoho services, especially for Excel replace to Zoho Sheet. How to use, what is new, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. Simply first of all, open the Google and type here Zoho Office Suite, enter. So first link is display here. If you come here, so here 4 different options you are seeing here: Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, Zoho Show and Zoho PDF Editor. Today we targeting on Zoho Sheet, so I just simply click here in Zoho Sheet. Currently the company is actively working to merge all the 4 software in one exe, and afterward user can very easily access this one. If you click here, the application is also available: Android, iPhone, iPad, Google Chrome and browser extension as well. So you should click here browser extension and access this application features. How to use? Just simply click here create separate sheet. You need to create first of all account. So Zoho account, how to create Zoho account, I already make a video available on same playlist. Otherwise you just simply sign in your Gmail or Facebook or Microsoft account as well. I just simply sign in here and look at this here. This is the zip file sheet. You can access here as it is 3 options like a writer, Word, Excel and PPT presentation, and this is the online. No need to install or download. Upcoming days they are providing especially on the software also as a physical software you should install in your Mac users as well. So here if you create here new separate sheet, totally replace or replica of Microsoft Excel as well, and that one is absolutely free. No need which laptop you are using, Windows, Mac or Linux, so you can access all the features absolutely free. So new separate sheet you can create here. So look at this here, I have already in one Excel sheet. I just simply download this one from my Gmail, Microsoft Excel. So I just simply download this one on my Mac, and let's see, we can access this Excel sheet here. Upload here, upload separate sheet or cloud. I upload separate sheet and just simply select here my Microsoft file. It's really adopt here or not. I just simply say yes. Uploaded successfully. I just simply open here and boom, as it is Microsoft Excel data you can very easily migrate here without any disturbance and work as it is as you previously work. So this is one of the best platform to migrate Microsoft services to Zoho platform. This is the one of the easiest way to access Zoho Sheets and create your table here, the edit, view, insert, format. If you are very much familiar about Excel sheet, so you can very easily understand how to access how many features they are providing here. So all types of features they are put it here, similar kind of same as a Microsoft Excel. Visit, use. So this is the simple way to sign up, log in and access Zoho Sheet and replace Excel of Microsoft. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.